have so much makeup on right now. Like, I don't even look like myself right now. I don't. Do I? I don't think so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to try to follow a Carli BYBEL makeup tutorial. So yeah, I really loved this tutorial that she just did. Well, she did a get ready with me, and I really loved this look. So I was like, well, I'm either gonna just like recreate it for a photo or I'm gonna recreate it for a video, and I decided to film it for you guys. Carli has always been a huge inspiration to me. I've been following her since the very beginning. She was the person who inspired me to get into makeup, a whole lot of other stuff. So this is like a full circle moment for me. So I really enjoyed doing this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. But anyways, so I've already done my face. I've already done my foundation, my contour, but I didn't powder contour yet or anything. I just cream contoured and stuff, something that I don't really do, but I used I cream contoured and cream highlighted, and I used my Pacifica Beauty liquid concealers to do that. It's just 3 different shades. So this one's like a bronzer type of color for me, and this one's like a contour color, and then this one's my highlight color. And so I just did all of that. I even contoured my nose, and I used to try to contour my nose like back in the day, and I stopped doing it. But Carli is really huge on contouring her nose, so I really wanted to do that. I randomly just get red on my chest. Disregard. I'm obviously going to be starting at the eye look, which is my favorite part of the look anyways, which is the whole look anyways. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Get closer. Okay, you guys are zoomed in now. Pay no mind to my eyebrows. I needed to pluck them, and I couldn't find my tweezers until after I've already applied all my makeup, all of my face makeup. So pay no mind to my eyebrows. They're super bushy and stuff. I'm going to pluck them like right after I take all of this off. So another thing is that I'm not going to be using the same products that she used, because I do not have the same products that she used, except for her lip combination, because I do have her collection. So I don't have the same products, and that's not my goal anyway. I just really want to recreate the entire look.
So first I'm going to pick up like this reddish color right here, and we're going to apply that right here in my crease. Like that.
Alright, so let's go. I'm a little nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Also, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking this shade here because I think it's the closest to her reddish shade. So yeah, that's what I'm putting in my crease.
I'm then grabbing this nude shade right here, and this is gonna go all over my lid.
Okay, so for the nude shade, I'm actually gonna go into her palette. I just have a bunch of my palettes over here, and picking out from wherever, whatever colors matches hers best. So for the nude shade, I'm gonna go into her palette because it's my favorite nude shade, and it's this one right here, and it's also the most pigmented nude shade I think I have across all of my makeup, which is crazy.
And that same dark matte, I'm gonna go right up against that line of nude that I just did, just to accentuate the crease. Taking a little bit of the matte black and just going over right here.
Alright, so I'm gonna finish up my crease. So I'm gonna keep going back and forth with these colors and making it work. And let's see if I can fix this or make it look a little neater. All right, this looks so freaking harsh. When all else fails, just blend.
Swap that brown, and I'm gonna start applying this where I would apply my eyeliner. Because I want the bottom to connect to the top, I'm gonna do it like this. Watch. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the matte black and something with a straight edge. So you can see how the bottom and then the top is like somewhat connected right now. We obviously want it to be straight. So what I'm gonna do is hold this the diagonal of how I want it. Just go right up against the line.
Use this as my straight edge. Because I don't have like a cream type of thing right now, and this is just like my tweezer thingamajig. So I'm just gonna use it as a straight edge. Ooh, I like. Lined her entire lash line with the matte brown.
And start smudging it up so it looks more, you know, like blended and not so precise. I'm also grabbing Velveteen for like the inner part. It's a little bit lighter brown, and again, just smudging it up.
So basically what I see happening here, she's kind of connecting this to like the outer parts of the crease part. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna smoke it out and all of that, and then I'm also gonna put my eyeliner on as she is as well, and hope you guys enjoy watching that. Okay. All right, let's do our liner. This looks a hot mess so far, but I'm going to blend everything. It's just a lot of blending, so I'm going to continue to blend as I go, but let's just do our liner for now. You know, let's focus on the things that we can control, which is putting on my liner. So that's what I'm doing. And now she says she smokes it out again. Wait.
Shade and start smudging above it again. And you can see we're gonna now start connecting the smudge to the crease that we did before, like this. Apply it right on the edge.
So I'm gonna finish up this top and get right back to you. All right, y'all, so we back, and I actually just put some powder right underneath to make it sharper, because I feel like I got a little bit carried away with all the blending and stuff, which I tend to do in general, and I also probably made it a little bit too dark. But we are going to move on to the bottom part now.
And the color Baubles, I don't know. And we're gonna start applying this on the lower lash line. And this palette is like a million times better, guys. It's probably like this Milani eyeliner. And then the color Hot is like an orangey shade. And we're gonna line our lower with, but I was really trying to make...
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna finish up the eyes. So for the bottom, she basically tried to mimic the color scheme on the top. So I'm gonna do the same thing, obviously. Alright, I don't know. She didn't look like a raccoon, but now I look like a raccoon, so I don't know what the deal is with all of this. I am going to apply falsies, and I think I'm gonna apply these, and these are should I apply Jasmine or Ariel? I'm gonna apply Jasmine by Princess Lash, and I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I will be right back. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I had just a tad, like the tiniest bit of fallout. So I'm just gonna do that. And now I think she just goes on to doing her normal bronzing up her skin. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my skin, and I'm using my usual Cabo by Galactic. I really am in the market for a new bronzer. Yeah, I'm going to go makeup shopping. I have to. I know I've been saying that. But I really, like, in the beginning, I used to really want like a bunch of makeup, and Lord did my wish come true, because now I have so much makeup that I can't possibly get to all of it unless I change my makeup in like 3 times a day or something. I do have a lot of makeup and stuff and all of that, but I used to think that I wanted like a bunch of makeup. Like I saw all these beauty gurus having like a room full of makeup, and I'll tell you this now, like I love makeup and all of that, but I feel so weird like going ahead and buying like more makeup now, unless it's something like, oh, it's like the perfect shade, the perfect lipstick and stuff. It just feels weird to buy like a bunch of new makeup when I get PR and when I have all of this makeup. It just kind of doesn't make sense to me to go shopping for anything unless I need it, obviously, but I mean, I don't necessarily run out ever. So I don't know, you guys have to be the judge of how you think I did with this makeup look. It was mostly the eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna do her lips as well. I don't know, if this was on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give myself like a 5, 6. I just feel like I didn't do too bad, but I don't know, I feel a little weird about it. But anyway, okay, so if you guys didn't know, Carly came out with her own collab with Il Makiage, which I actually love Il Makiage. And these have been my favorite lipsticks and lip glosses and lip liners to use for the past couple of months, actually ever since I received them. So yeah, I mean, obviously it's hers as well. So I'm just going to apply the same combo that she did, and if I'm not mistaken, she actually applied the lip liner Luna, which is like a dark brown. And then she applied her, well, let's just go on with this. I'm usually too heavy-handed with this, so I'm going to try to be a little bit of a lighter hand because her lips didn't come out super dark. And usually when I use this lip liner, my lips come out super dark because I overuse it. So let's try to be a little bit on the lighter hand side over here. See how this comes out. Okay, y'all, I think I did it. I think I did it. So then she goes in with her Libra lipstick, which is actually like a really beautiful nude. I really enjoy this nude. It doesn't look as light on me as it does on her because I'm a couple shades darker than her, but it's such a beautiful nude, you guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go back in with Luna, and I'm just going to darken the outer edges. Alright, so I'm just going to apply some highlight because I forgot to apply highlight since I am trying to skip through her video a little bit. I'm gonna apply some blush first. I almost forgot to apply some blush. I have so much makeup on right now. Like, I don't even look like myself right now. I don't. Do I? I don't think so. I'm going to apply some highlight right on the tip of my nose. I know Carly doesn't typically like highlight, but I do. And I know she does get her nose though. I know that's for a fact. That's where she does apply her highlight for sure. Oh my god. Okay. And I'm just going to apply some highlight on my cheeks because I love highlight. I'm not going to apply too much though. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. This is my final result following a Carli BYBEL makeup tutorial. It's not really a makeup tutorial, it was a get ready with me, which is why I tried to like skim through it because she was like talking through everything. But I really enjoyed following this makeup tutorial. As I said, Carli was one of the ones that really inspired me to do makeup in the very first place. I remember being in my college library and I had huge breaks as a freshman between my classes, so I would just stay in the library watching YouTube videos because I always was ahead of my schoolwork or whatever. So whenever I didn't have schoolwork, I was watching Carli BYBEL in the library or taking a nap. But for the most part, I was watching Carli BYBEL and Nicole Guerrero. Those were my two faves from the very, very beginning. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. You be the judge. On a scale of 1 to 10, as I said, I'll give myself probably like a solid 6. That's not too bad, right? So what do you guys give me? On a scale of 1 to 10, how well do you think I did as far as following her makeup tutorial? Drop it in the comments down below. Let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next... Oh, I didn't have a top to mimic her top. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!